want to claim your dog's token with your bybit, all you need to do is click on deposit to exchange, then you click on exchange, and then click on continue, select bybit, then click send here. Then if you have a bybit account, if you don't have, register with the link below, then you click yes I have. Once you have done completing your registration, all you need to do is submit your bybit UID. Then the first step you do is click on bybit UID, go back to your bybit, open your bybit, and then go to your click home, then click profile, then copy your UID. Once you copy it, go to your dot and then paste it here. The first thing is done. So now your dot's deposit address, go back to your exchange, your bybit, you go back, click assets, click deposit, then click deposit crypto, and then you search here for dots, that is DOGS. So once you find it, you find it here, then you click on it, you click on turn, then you copy, click on OK, then you copy your deposit address, you fill it here, then the memo or tag, then you go back to your bybit and copy this tag or memo. Once you copy it, go back and then you paste it here. Once you paste it, then you click on send now. So you have to confirm it and then you click on send. So you will see that your Dogecoin is being in process for withdrawal.